So next question of exercise 5.2 is question number 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि ये आपको एक AP गिवन है और इस AP की कौन सी ऐसी टर्म है जो 78 होगी। तो देखो यहाँ पर वर्ड यूज है विच टर्म। तो विच टर्म का मतलब क्या होता है? एन एन मीन्स बेसिकली आपसे पूछा जा रहा है वैल्यू ऑफ एन कि कौन सी ऐसी टर्म होगी। तो बेसिकली आपसे पूछा जा रहा है वैल्यू ऑफ एन। एन का मतलब कि कौन सी ऐसी वो टर्म होगी इस एपी की जो 78 होगी। और इसमें जो कंसेप्ट यूज होगा आपका दैट इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ ए एन। मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल से लेट nth टर्म बी 78 कि इस एपी की nth टर्म जो है वो 78 होगी। nth टर्म का मतलब an is equal to 78. What will be the value of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 78. Now a is first term, that is 3, plus value of n, which we have to find which term, value of n, that is n minus 1. d means common difference. क्वेश्चन में गिवन है ए पी, आपको जज नहीं करना है। a2 minus a1, तो 8 minus 3 करोगे it will be 5 equal to 78. So can I say that 5 within bracket n minus 1 equal to 78 minus 3? ये plus 3 है, when it shifted to the right hand side it will be minus 3. So n minus 1 will be equal to 78 minus 3, that is 75 divided by 5. It will be 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So n will be equal to 16. It means it implies 16th टर्म, ये जो एपीएच की जो 16th टर्म है विल बी इक्वल टू 78. अब आप इसको क्रॉस चेक भी कर सकते हो। टू वांट टू वेरीफाई योर आंसर, आप A16 फाइंड करो। A16 क्या होगा? A प्लस 15D। प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि an जो होता है n माइनस 1 होता है, तो A16 होगा A प्लस 15D। वैल्यू ऑफ A दैट इज 3, value of d is common difference, that is 5. If you solve this it will be 3 plus 75 and that is 78. You can see that 16 term जो है आपका वो 78 है. Okay, so this is the final answer of this question, that is 16 term of this AP is equal to 78. Well, let's move to the next question. The next question is question number 15. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. Means देखो आपको ये AP दिखाई दे रहा है 7, 13, 19, 205. अब आपसे देखो इस AP की फर्स्ट टर्म है 7. This is the second term. 19 is the third term. तो आपसे पूछा जा रहा है in this sequence ये जो 205 है, ये 7, 13, 19 से लेके 205 तक इस एपी में कितनी टोटल टर्म्स होंगी? जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिखा 2, 4, 6, 8, तो इस एपी में टोटल कितनी टर्म्स है? आपने कहा 4, 1, 2, 3, 4। आपने कहा सर इसमें 4 टर्म्स है। मैंने कहा बिल्कुल ठीक है। अब मैंने कहा अब ये बताओ 7, 13, 19 इन अ सीक्वेंस अप टू 205, तो इस एपी में टोटल टर्म्स कितनी होगी? तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, इसका मतलब मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ वैल्यू ऑफ एन कि कितनी टोटल टर्म्स होंगी, राइट? तो व्हाट हैज बीन गिवन हियर, वैल्यू ऑफ ए दैट इज 7. कॉमन डिफरेंस वी कैन फाइंड 13 माइनस 7 दैट इज इक्वल टू 6. और जो लास्ट टर्म होती है, जो लास्ट टर्म होती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? nth टर्म, दैट इज an. तो here value of an also given in this question. And value of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is it is equal to 205. Value of a that is 7 plus n minus 1, value of d that is 6 equal to 205. We have to find this value. Now 6 into n minus 1 is equal to 205 minus 7. 205 minus 7. So 6 within bracket n minus 1, 205 minus 7, it is equal to 198. So n minus 1 is equal to 198 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18. So n is equal to 33 plus 1. 33 plus 1, that is 34. It means there are total 34 terms in given AP. तो इस AP में टोटल कितनी टर्म्स होंगी? 34. This is the solution of first part. Let's move to the next part. So next part is first term is 18, then 15 and half, 15 1 by 2, 13 and minus 47. Again same question. Question is from 18 to minus 47, how many terms are in this AP? Now here first term, that is A is equal to 18. Common difference, that is D, it will be equal to A2 minus A1. That is 15 to the 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus A1, that is 18. So D will be equal to, if I take LCM here, it will be 231 minus 18 to the 36. So D will be equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now, last term, that is nth term. So here AN is equal to minus 47. And AN means A plus N minus 1 into D. It is equal to minus 47. Now, minus 47 is equal to A. Value of A is 18 plus N minus 1. We have to find the value of N minus 1 into D. Value of D is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. So you can write it as minus 5 by 2 within bracket N minus 1 equal to minus 47 minus 18. Right? Minus 47 minus 18. Then it can be written as minus 5 by 2 within bracket N minus 1. Minus 47 minus 18, that is minus 65. Now, minus and minus will be cancelled out. What we will have now? N minus 1 is equal to 65. When this 5 by 2 shifted to the right hand side, it will be 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So N minus 1 is equal to 26. So N will be equal to what? 26 plus 1, that is 27. So the answer is 27. It means in this AP, there are total 27 terms. Right? This is the solution of question number 5. Let's move to the next question. Question is question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. This is the given AP 11, 8, 5 and 2. भाई यहाँ हमें ये चेक करना है कि क्या इस AP की कोई एक टर्म माइनस 150 हो सकती है. तो जब भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है तो हम क्या एज्यूम करते हैं? लेट nth टर्म ऑफ गिवन AP बी माइनस 150. हमने ये एज्यूम कर लिया कि ये जो गिवन AP है, इसकी जो nth टर्म होगी, इसकी जो nth टर्म होगी वो क्या होगी? माइनस 150 होगी. It means we are saying that AN of this AP is equal to minus 150. Now AN means A plus N minus 1 into D. AN means A plus N minus 1 into D. It is equal to minus 150. It is equal to minus 150. Now value of A, that is the first term, that is 11 plus n, we have to find. आपसे यही पूछा गया है, check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. अब इसका क्राइटेरिया क्या होता है वो मैं आपको अभी इसको सॉल्व कर लेता हूँ. ये इसकी टर्म हो सकती है नहीं हो सकती, ये डिपेंड करता है वैल्यू ऑफ एन पर. कैसे? देखो, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आपकी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आपकी फ्रैक्शन में नहीं हो सकती. तो अगर सॉरी, अगर आपकी वैल्यू ऑफ एन पॉजिटिव आती है, ठीक है, अगर नेगेटिव आएगा या फ्रैक्शन आएगा, जैसे कि अगर 1/2 आता है 0.5, 1/2 का 0.5, देन इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. तो वैल्यू ऑफ एन जो है वो डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर होगा कि -150 जो है वो इस एपी का टर्म हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता. बेसिकली हम वही फाइंड कर रहे हैं, एंड देन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ एन वी विल बी एबल टू पास अवर जजमेंट वेदर दिस टर्म कैन बी अ टर्म ऑफ दिस एपी और नॉट. बी 8 - 11 क्या होगा? -3, and it is equal to -150, right? Then -3 and -1 is equal to -150. 11 when shifted to the right hand side, it will be -11, right? So n minus 1 is equal to -150 minus 11, that is -161, and divided by -3. Minus and minus will be cancelled out, right? So finally, what will be the value of n? N will be equal to 161/3 plus 1. By taking LCM, n will be equal to 3. 161 plus 3 ones are 3. It is equal to 164/3. Now 164 is not divisible by 3. ये proper divide नहीं होगा. अगर मैं 164 को 3 से डिवाइड करता हूँ, what I will get? 3 5 is 15. 6 - 5 1 4. 3 4 is 12. That's it. It is not completely divisible. तो आपकी जो n की वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में आई है, और मैंने क्या कहा, अगर आपकी n की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आती है या आपकी n की वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में आती है, इट मीन्स दिस टर्म, दिस गिवन टर्म जो आपको चेक करना है, कांट बी द टर्म ऑफ दिस एप. दिस गिवन वैल्यू कांट बी द टर्म ऑफ दिस एप. तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? Here value of n is in fraction, therefore -150 can't be the term of given a. ठीक है, ये सिंपल एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए आपको, which is not in this case here. So let's move to our next question. The next question is question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11 term is 38 and 16 term is 73. आपको क्या कहा गया है? एक AP है जिसकी जो 11 टर्म है वो 38 है, मीन्स आपको A11 जो है वो 38 है इस AP का, और जो 16th टर्म है दैट इज A16, दैट इज इक्वल टू 73. तो किसके इक्वल है? 73 के. इसके इक्वल है 73 के. तो आपको कहा जा रहा है कि 31st टर्म क्या होगी, तो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? वी हैव टू फाइंड A31. वी हैव टू फाइंड A31. तो अब देखो, ये दो केसेस से हमारे पास दो इक्वेशन आएगी. दो केसेस से हमारे पास क्या आएगी? दो इक्वेशन. आपको ये कहा जा रहा है A11 जो है आपका 38 है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स A + 10D जो है आपका वो 38 है. दैट इज योर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. फिर आपको कहा जा रहा है कि A16 जो है आपका वो 73 है. तो आपको ये कहा जा रहा है कि A + 15D जो है आपका वो 73 है. तो ये आपके पास दो इक्वेशन आ गई. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू? solving 1 and 2 equation, that is a plus 10d is equal to 38 and a plus 15d is equal to 73. जो बेस्ट मेथड होगा यहाँ पर वो होगा एलिमिनेशन, माइनस माइनस एंड माइनस. a and a will be cancelled out. Minus 15 plus 10d, that is minus 5d, that is minus 5d, and minus 73 plus 38, so it will be equal to minus 35, right? Minus and minus will be cancelled out. D will be equal to what? 35 by 5. 35 by 5, that is 7. 35 by 5 is equal to 7. Now we have to find the value of a. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Put b equal to 7 in equation 1. तो अगर आप b की जगह 7 पुट कर तो इट विल बी a plus 10 into 7 equal to what? 38. Equal to what? 38. So a will be equal to 38 minus 70, right? So can I say that a is equal to minus 32? A is equal to what? Minus 32. Now we can find the value of a31. Now a31, which will be equal to what? A plus 30d, like a11, a plus 10d, 11 minus 1, a16, 16 minus 1, a31, 31 minus 1. So it will be equal to a, that is minus 32 plus 30. Value of d is 7. So it is equal to minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21 plus 210 minus 32. It will be equal to minus 178, and this is the required answer of this question. जो 31st term होगी इस AP की, that will be equal to minus 178. Okay, let's now do the next question. Next question is question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. तो यहाँ पर आपको total number of terms given है. This is the value of n. Then of which third term is 12. That is a3 is equal to 12. Okay. And last term is 106. अब क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन है कि टोटल टर्म्स कितनी है? 50. So it means last term is 106 means what? A50 is equal to 106. भाई अगर किसी AP में टोटल टर्म 50 है तो लास्ट टर्म A50 होगी, which is equal to 106. We have to find 29th term. So 29th term क्या होगी? That is the question. First of all, A3 is equal to 12. A3 is equal to 12, which means a plus 2d is equal to 12. This is the first equation. Then A50 is equal to 106. A50 is equal to 106, which implies a plus 49d is equal to 106. This is equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, that is a plus 2d is equal to 12, first equation, and a plus 49d is equal to 106, that is second equation. So by elimination method, minus minus minus, a and a will be cancelled out. Minus 49 plus 2, minus 49 plus 2, that is minus 47d. Minus 106 plus 12, that is minus 94. Now minus and minus will be cancelled out. D will be equal to 94 by 47, that is 2. That is equal to 2. Now put D is equal to 2 in either of this equation. Say in equation 1, what we will have? A plus 2. In place of this D, we will put 2 equal to 12. So A will be equal to 12 minus 4, that is 8. So A is equal to 8, D is equal to 2. Now we have to find 29 term. A 29 and it will be equal to A plus 28D. A is 8 plus 28 and value of D is 2. So it will be equal to 8 plus 28 2 ja 8 2 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5. 8 plus 6 14, that is 64. So this is the final answer of this question. That is 29th term will be equal to 64. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, if the third term and the ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8, it means A3 is equal to 4, which implies A plus 2D is equal to 4. That is equation number 1. Then A9 is equal to minus 8 respectively. Okay, so third के साथ हो गया 4, 9 के साथ हो गया minus 8. A9 is equal to minus 8. That is A plus AD is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 2. Which term of this AP is 0? अब आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कौन सी टर्म इसकी 0 होगी. So let nth term be 0. It means an is equal to 0. Which term is, we have to find the value of n. We have to find the value of n. And it means a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. That will be question number 3. Now first of all, what we will do, solving equation 1 and 2. That is a plus 2d equal to 4. A plus AD equal to minus 8. So while solving this, it will be minus, minus and plus. A and A will be cancelled out. Minus 8 plus 2, that is minus 60. 8 plus 4, that is 12. That is 12. So D will be equal to 12 by minus 6, that is minus 2. Now put D equal to minus 2 in equation 1. That is minus 2 that is A plus 2 in place of D, that is minus 2, it is equal to 4. So A will be equal to 4 minus 4 when shifted to the right hand side plus 4. So A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. Now putting the value of A and D in equation 3. What we will have now? A, that is 8. N minus 1. D is equal to minus 2 and it will be equal to 0. Now minus 2 within bracket n minus 1 is equal to, when this 8 shifted to the right hand side, it will be minus 8. Minus and minus will be cancelled out. N minus 1 is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. So n will be equal to minus 1 when shifted to the right hand side, that is 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, it means we can say that, which implies fifth term of given AP is 0. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 9. In the next class, we'll proceed with our question number 10. That is for today's class. Thank you.